Jason, do you use synthol?
No. Jason, factor of one.
Stop being a faggot. Thank you.
Yes, pull your shirt up, you loose lady.
It's pulled up enough. Relax. I'm pulling it down for fashion.
Yes, my lady.
Fashion.
Chill out, dude.
Lady Pablo, are you okay? You look perplexed.
No kiss to the paparazzi, my lady.
I think Pablo is just gonna grab a Red Bull, sit back, and enjoy the
Yes, you have. You need to stop smirking like a goofy lady.
Enjoy my cock
This
in your
guy's
mouth.
ripped.
This
guy is my lord.
Shout out, my lady.
Jason, do you use synthol?
No. Jason, factor of 1 to 10.
You ain't pumping something?
Could you just fuck? I think that explains it.
Speaking of desensitized gag reflexes, my loose lady of the night, Doja. So easy and loose.
Let's go to the inn.
And only 2 syllables.
Yes, Daddy.
Oh my god. Her shirt reminds me of a baby duck.
Suck my dick, nigger.
Her shirt is like a
Oh my god. I'm sorry, my lady Dallas. What does her shirt remind you of?
It reminds me of like a little duckling with feathers. It's got feathers. It's like a little duckling.
A chick.
I'm here. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy that I'm not hiding from the public? I explain to everybody what's going on right now. I put out an apology last night. That was... I kind of want to wait for everybody to get in here. Oh my God. The mistake that we made was to not go on live, to not go on social media, to ignore social media. I've had 3 days to do this.
I understand. One thing, when I get home, hi guys, what's up guys?
To be more detailed about what's going on, these are all apologies that I've compiled.
Hi.
Boo-hoo, woe is me. Check this out.
I want to end this video.
Check this out. There's nothing more ingenuine than making a fucking edited video.
I've been going in a chat room.
Put it down.
And asking other people, by the way, I've counted 98 different apologies. So I'm going to start with self-hate. I've seen tweets about me. It's a video. It's not even me. It's my friends helping me see through Twitter with a filter. I'm not on Twitter. that shit hurts my feelings. Seeing people come for me, seeing people come for my character, just like any of you guys, it wouldn't feel good to me. So I avoid social media. My friends looked on social media and they told me what was going on. I know exactly what you guys are talking about as far as self-hate goes. I had a video of me talking about my hair. I have a lot of trouble taking care of my hair. So when I am not, either my hair is straightened or I have a wig on, I'm pretty much okay, but when I'm trying to comb out, wash, do this twist, everything, it's frustrating for me. It's very hard for me. A lot of my friends would agree who have hair like mine, that they have a hard time taking care of it. What I think that the mistake may have been that I made was saying it on a social platform, saying it out in public, maybe being honest about how I feel about taking care of my hair was a bad idea. So I'm saying that, you know, I didn't understand the pain that it was to have a wig on all the time and taking it off and seeing the tan line and seeing all that. That bothered me, that pissed me off. I didn't like that. It doesn't, in no fucking way does it mean that I hate my hair. My hair is amazing. All right. Maybe that didn't sum it up for you. I love my skin color. I think I'm beautiful. It says on my bullet points, didn't do nothing. This is in no way, shape, or form an order of what's most important to what. But it's there, so I'm going to talk about it. So I made a song, I think it was 2015, but that's irrelevant. And it has a very offensive term in it. And it shouldn't be used, period. I'm going to start with, I'm very sorry to anybody who's taken offense, to anybody who I have hurt, using this term. When I used it, it was because I was in chat rooms all the time and I was kind of locked away, and I was always on there just dealing with people coming at me left and right, talking about different slanderous terms after another. The song, however, I agree, the worst, maybe the worst song. Next bullet is stripping for white supremacists. I am going to start with the chat room that I go to is a public chat room. It's me, my friends. You go in there. Now you have to pay $30 to get into the chat room, which is a new thing. But I used to go in there for free, and I learned, you know, that there are racist people who come in and out of the chat. They happen and then they're banned. The idea that this chat room is a white supremacist chat room is, I don't understand it in any way. But Tiny Chat is a place for everybody. It's a place for all walks of life. And sometimes it's hurtful to people. But the narrative that it's a white supremacist chat is completely incorrect. It's absolutely 100% fucking incorrect. The next thing is race play. So I watched a YouTube video by Abba and Preach. Very interesting people. They can be very smart in a lot of subjects. There was a video about me that came out a few hours ago. I don't think it's been a day, but the video that came out was about me, and they misinterpreted what I said in a clip on TinyChat. So the clip that you see me where I was, and yes, this is me 100% fucking excusing my dumbass behavior. I'm dumb, but I'm also drunk. But on the other side of things, I can be concise, I can be clear, I can speak, I know how to speak. I am smart, but I'm also kind of a dumbass. In this video, I'm being completely fucking blackout drunk and completely fucking dumb. I have turned off the smart switch in my brain, and this is where I'm saying, shut the fuck up, you, and then I say hard R, the N-word. Now, they thought that I was saying, and maybe some of you thought that I was saying, call me the hard R N-word. I'm in no way into race play. It's not something that, I don't know anybody who does it. I'm kinky as fuck, very kinky. But to that extent, no. TinyChat being white supremacist, that was one bullet. I debunked that. Arabic tweet. Now, the Arabic tweet. A lot of my fans went and pretty much slammed that. I haven't addressed it, but I feel like this is the perfect time to. I have never made a tweet about Arabic people, Arabic culture. I don't even see why someone would do. It's a shitty rumor. It's an awful, horrible rumor. So there's nothing much else to say about that. Move on to the next one. Dating white men. It's so interesting to me how in these times, me dating white men is in any way, I don't completely empty in thought as far as this goes. When I love someone, when I am attracted to someone, when I want to fuck someone, I'm gonna either see how that fucking pans out, I'm going to talk to them, and that's all that fucking matters is what I fucking want. Who I love is zero. Whether you like me or not, it's zero of your business. If I like someone, if I'm attracted to a person, no matter what their skin color is, no matter where the fuck they come from, no matter what their religion, doesn't matter, I don't give a fuck, I'm gonna fucking love them because I love them. This isn't about fucking, I don't date people based on, I don't even know how to articulate that concept because it's so out of my world. If I love someone, I'm not looking at their fucking skin color. I find people attractive just because I find them fucking attractive. Beyonce TikTok. I saw something about how people thought that I was coming for Beyonce. Beyonce is the cream of the fucking crop. Beyonce is the reason why I believe that I can be who I am. Beyonce is one of the driving forces of who I am in my career. Beyonce is undeniably talented. And every fucking time anyone has ever came for Beyonce, I was there. And that's all I have to say. That's it. Next fucking bullet. Not showing my boobs. Oh, this is gonna be fun. So, I told people on Twitter that I was gonna show my boobs to them real hard, quote unquote. And some people some people think that I was serious. They realized that I wasn't serious very recently. That's my sense of humor. My mistake was thinking that everyone was going to understand my joke. And by the way, I don't give a shit about being fucking famous. I don't give a fuck about a number one. Okay? I don't even know what that means. The not showing my boobs shit, I don't even want to address it. It's a lot of Fortnite kids and gamer kids who just wish they could have seen my boobers. Your favorite artist, and there's no judgment. If they care about that, wonderful. That's fine. There's nothing wrong about wanting a number one and working hard to get to that number one. For me, I don't give a shit. I just want to fucking make music. I don't care about a fucking I still don't get it. I just don't get, me trying to sell my titties for a number one. That was just even more the point that I'm doing it because I love the people. I want a number one. I'm doing it because I fucking want my fans to be proud of me. I want my team to be proud of me. It's not because, God damn, I need a fucking number one. It's not about that. It's about me just wanting the people around me to be fucking happy. I'm so sorry if I hurt you guys and disappointed and offended anybody on Twitter, Instagram. If you're a true fan of me, if you're young, all of my young fans, people who look up to me, my behavior isn't something that always needs to be followed. I'm not perfect.